you know, sometimes you just have to get up and go. Wires loose, ground's shoddy. Not sure if the next speed bump is gonna make you stall out. But you just gotta get up and go while you can. Can't wait till everything is perfect or all taken care of. You just gotta hit the road and do the best that you know how to do. Get out there on the highway. Embrace adventure. Embrace what you don't know. Jump into the unknown. Just do it. None of us is promised tomorrow. We're not even promised our next breath today. So, don't wait. Just get out there. Just do it.